nga ansobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omwelio amaya yebire bigani gotukwechaka kurwa sorongo rwa Gusii asengu kumenya nigo ekyombe gya Michael Mutume Foundation abakubwaterana na kere gya Smart Girl Foundation babire bakwenana ebitambaa biobochenu gochya ase abana b'Esukuru ya secondary ya St Thomas linda kwenekya bunango konye kabale chinga kiri bagotwa aniga abakabakorekana ase bunge elia yabo basi bunenchire ya moyo kweneke buna omwana omunyaruka gogendrale gotigara Esukuru nabo igo konyora kisemi wekireno okwana abagwatani kurwa senseme yoni go bairera ekiringa kyabo kigosira omwana omunyaruka asensemo y'abana abo bakogokera egetamu kirekyo nabo igo kugania abagwatani bande bwesoke bene elinde gusira abana abo nakweneke bunanko genda bale konyora kisemi omurikito Julie Kerubo na mange
Bunenchere ya moyo kwenekya buno mwana omunyaruka ngo tigarara Esukuru nabo igo kogenda n'amasoma ekyombe kya Michael Mutume Foundation gekobwaterana na Smart Girl Foundation nigo kiena n'ebitambaa biobochenu gochya abana b'Esukuru ya secondary ya St Thomas turwa iyo gotoka sebunge ya basi.
Tumekuja kuambia wasichana wasikuwe na uoga wakifika mambo yao ya hedhi. We are here to encourage the boys to accept mambo ya periods and to end period stigmatization and to end period poverty. Tuko pamoja and we still continue to do this community projects.
Nigo bakwanero mochanda abana abanyaruka bagwetera anene mona se chinsemo cha mashinani ase bate babuna ebitambe ebi nigo bigocha byoni gurigo liritari goikerwa n'abayibori eye nige kogera abayibori gotanyara kugora ebitambe ebi na koirera abana boigo koba chinsemo cha isiko.
Challenge which most students are facing actually is shule za mashinani because that's where we focus mostly. The parts are really expensive. At the moment the cheapest is 80 bob and the highest is almost 200 or 120. I really don't know. But the challenge mostly is kupata hizo parts. Unapata familia iko na watoto watano, sasa mama atashughulikia anunue pads ama atanunua unga.
Nigo babori bono eserekari korento moroberio bwokwena n'ebitambaa ebyo gochya abana abanyoroka be secondary natari bechi Esukuru choboroso na JSS boka eye nechigokonya abana bali bakorwa chinka kitari kwenyara.
The government rolled out the sanitary towels program for the JSS and the lower primary schools. We appreciate that, but also can you consider bringing that program back to the high schools and the higher levels of education so that everyone can get access to dignity and health materials and hygiene materials.
Most of the ladies pia hapa mashinani they are still ashamed of them having their periods, but we want to make them understand that it's normal. Every month for a lady it's normal. As much as you are normal, it's okay for you to have your pads. You're not supposed to be ashamed of.
Anya nabonige byombe byo byena na maigerio igoro yo komenya anana mono asamaro irari atongeta abana banyaruka gotanga marita bwango nabo igo gotanyora maroire amange.
Supplying the pads, we usually give them a mentor tunaongelesha about the mental health and all that, because you get most of these ladies hapa mashinani a lot is happening to them. Unapata yani wanakuwa affected na a lot huku ndani hawajaelewa mambo mengi. Unapata wako na GBV, early pregnancies, these kama tuseme kama HPV, or they don't understand endometriosis, they don't understand that, and they don't know who to talk to. FGM here, they don't know who to talk to. So most times when we come here we make sure tuko na expertise wenye wanakuja wanawaelekeza mingi, they get to understand, si wao pekee wanapitia. Alafu
Omwansi omachore Damaris Chanchoka niga semya abana banyoroka gotiga gosoka asenge nchuba nyore bitambe byo byobochenu nonde tabasa gosoka gotagende Esukuru asichintamero cyo gotatwara ebitambe byo.
Mambo ile ya kusema I'm on my period, I should not go to school. This is freedom. This is what? Freedom. Ndio sababu tunasema kwamba taxi rudi chini venye merudi so that you can be comfortable in school. Si ndio? Yes. So girls, you are free. You come to school ukiwa na sanitary pad yako huko salama. Si ndio? Yes. So hakuna ile ya kusema I'm on menses, I should not go to school. Si ndio? Yes. So be in school full na Mungu awasaidie na mpite. No girl should be at home because hakuna periods. Si ndio? Yes. Kila msichana akae shuleni hata kama hakuna nini na period.
Ingoripoti rigita seni Ndizi TV editorial Julie Kerubo.